2019 Nissan Maxima. All keys lost. You can see the wrong key ID. So we're going to go ahead and select 2019 Maxima. We're going to connect. Ignition is already off. Switch hazards on. Hazards are on. Program prox. Do not press brake pedal. Make sure all doors are closed. Okay. All keys will be deleted. Yes. Press and hold the start button until ignition switches on. Ignition has come on. Okay. Make sure ignition's off. It's off. Press and release the start button with the end of the logo. Okay. Switch ignition off. Okay. No, we don't want to program more keys. There we go. Release start and stop button. Program complete. Key registration is complete. Press the brake. Car started. There we go. It's 2019 Nissan Maxima, brought to you by Lafayette Locksmith. Have a great day.